good, everybody? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's Jonathan, and for those who are new to this channel, I say welcome. Today we are at the Haveli, and what are we gonna do? Oh yes, we are going to be trying food here. They say that at Haveli, Punjabi people come to enjoy the original taste of the Punjabi food. So let's get to see how original it is. So guys, welcome to Haveli. They're having different things that they serve here. In the inside there, they have the restaurant kind of set up, and outside here.
Where are you from?
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Okay. Zimbabwe?
Yes.
It's where from?
So I'll come outside for the lassi later and the papad. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna come back for it. First, we have to go inside. So inside here is where the inner restaurant is. This is where we are going to be. Namaste ji. Sasrikal ji. Let me try to find somewhere to sit. It's well packed. Like a lot of people are here. I don't know if I'm going to find somewhere to sit, or maybe I gotta go and sit outside. I don't know. Sitting in here is quite low, but look at this. They have the truck in the house. Unfortunately, I didn't find a table inside, so I'm gonna go outside, look for a table, and we can start with the food. Finally, I have found a table, and well, it is really clean and presentable. Oh, there's something that I need to show you. This is the other part of the building from the inside. It's really beautiful. You can see, look at the lighting is on point. I wish this is the place that they gave me than the place that I have right now. It's not well lit. I can't make a great video. So in here there's some music that is playing in the background, and I hope that it's not going to affect this channel, because well, for those who used to follow me on Food Addict Jonathan, I'm sure that they can't find the channel because that happened. So I just pray that the music is not going to affect anything. Anyways, we are waiting for 10 to 15 minutes for the food, and after that we are going to get into the gist of our video. Well, in accordance to how full people are over here, it means that the food is really delicious. So allow me to do a little bit of a review on it. Okay, so now I just got my food, and this is what we call the Paneer Dosa. So the Paneer Dosa is served with sambar, and I don't know what that is. All I know is that this is the Paneer Dosa. And this is the other set of food. That's Rajma Jamuale, and this dish we are going to present it in the next video, how it will be tasting. Yes, so the beans is Rajma Jamuale, and those are my chopri, it's hard to pronounce, but yes, chopri rotis. That the dosa gets, crunchy if you don't eat it in time. So now let's get to dig it. Seems really delicious, and dip it in there. I hope it's gonna be like that. Check what is in the inside. Okay, so there's some cheese, and this is an onion, and I don't know what seeds are these, but yeah, it is indeed delicious. It even tastes like a paratha. This is really good, delicious, oily. And like the paneer is tasting like crumbled eggs. Anyways, that was the spice on my throat. And I think I'm eating it all wrong. I don't know. Man, it tastes like medicine. Man, it really does taste like medicine. It's much more delicious in here than the sambar. I like the sambar a lot. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video, and please be in the comment section, write what you think about this video. Hate comments, it's alright. Just put whatever you think
And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell button so that you can get a notification. Oh, my hands are dirty. You can get a notification each and every time that I upload a new video.